Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. I hope you're all staying indoors and staying safe and only leaving the house for an essential service. But I am basically making this video because I'm going to do a quarantine giveaway. Since I can't really do a normal giveaway where I give away like an Android box or any sort of physical tangible equipment, this is going to be the easiest way I can give back to you guys for being subscribed to my channel. I'm going to be giving away 2 gift cards here for either Skip or Uber Eats, depending on what is offered in your area and what you prefer. First place is going to be doing a $100 gift card for that, and for second place I'm going to be doing a $50 gift card for that. So in order for you guys to enter, I'm going to leave the Gleam entry link down below. You basically have to enter using your YouTube username, and the YouTube username must be subscribed to my channel, because when I do the actual giveaway, if you're not subscribed, you won't be eligible for the giveaway. And then once you actually log in with your YouTube account, you can also get a second entry by following me on Twitter. Now, you guys are probably wondering, how are there already 87 entries? That's because I actually posted this on my Twitter page 2 days ago for people who are on Twitter for early access to the giveaway. So if you guys are not a Twitter follower, please follow me on Twitter. It's going to be at MrMan, also down below as well, because sometimes I do stuff on Twitter first before I do on YouTube. I know most of my following base is on YouTube, but if everybody can join on both platforms, so you guys won't miss out whether I do YouTube or whether I do Twitter. So there's 5 days left of the giveaway. The giveaway ends on Friday, and then next weekend, which is the one coming up, I'll be doing a new video announcing the actual winners of the gift cards. So as long as there is Skip the Dishes or Uber in your area, this competition is actually open worldwide. It's not restricted to any sort of location. So click on the link down below to enter using a YouTube account, and then follow again with Twitter. Once those are done, you'll be in the actual giveaway. And that's basically for this video, guys. So good luck to everybody playing, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.